Chemical properties of carboxylic acid are chemical reactions of acetic acid. Replacement of hydroxyl group of carboxylic group from halogen are formation of acetyl chloride. Reaction of acetic acid with PCl5. Product here CH3COCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Acetyl chloride, phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. Reaction second with PCl3. Product acetyl chloride 3CH3 COCl plus phosphorus acid H3PO3. Number third, reaction between acetic acid and thionyl chloride. Product here CH3 COCl SO2 and HCl gas. It means hydroxyl group of carboxylic replaced by the halogen and formation of acetyl chloride. Same reactions with benzoic acid. Reaction with PCl5, product is benzoyl chloride. Reaction with PCl3, product here benzoyl chloride. Reaction with SOCl2, product here benzoyl chloride. It means hydroxyl group replaced from halogen. Next is formation of amide. Acetic acid plus ammonia, product here ammonium acetate. On heating of ammonium acetate, product here acetamide and water molecules. Aromatic carboxylic acid, benzoic acid react with ammonia, product here ammonium carboxylate. On heating, ammonium carboxylate change in benzamide and water. The name of product benzamide. In the given example, OH hydroxyl group replaced by the amine group and carboxylic group 2 derivative of carboxylic amide. Example, acetic acid to acetamide, benzoic acid to benzamide. Next is formation of ester. Example, CH3 COOH plus C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. In the presence of concentrate H2SO4 and heat, hydroxyl group replaced from ethoxide and production here CH3 COOC2H5. The name of it is ethyl acetate. The common name of this homologous series is a ester. Then alcohol react with acetic acid in the presence of the concentrated H2SO4 and form ethyl acetate ester. Then this reaction is called esterification or formation of ester. Reactivity of alcohol sequence is, it means methyl alcohol easily react with carboxylic acid due to less steric hindrance. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol and tertiary butyl alcohol. Steric hindrance maximum in a tertiary butyl alcohol. The reactivity of alcohol with carboxylic acid किसकी सबसे ज्यादा है? मिथाइल अल्कोहल ड्यू टू लेस स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस. Decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Example: decarboxylation of sodium derivative of acetic acid. Name of it is sodium derivate, sodium acetate. Sodium acetate react with soda lime. Soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. The ratio is 3:1. When sodium acetate react with the soda lime, the product here CH4 Na2CO3. Number of carbon in reactant 2 and number of carbon in product is 1. It means degradation of the carbon chain during the decarboxylation. Why it is called decarboxylation? Because carboxylic group eliminate in the form of carbonate and 2 number carbon reactant convert into 1 number carbon product. It means degradation of carbon chain. Second process here, decarboxylation. Electrolysis are called by electrolysis of sodium acetate. Sodium acetate ionize in the form of CH3, COO and sodium ions. Sodium ions and acetate ions. Acetate ions, loss of the 2 electrons means टू लिया ना, तो acetate ions loss of 2 electrons and change into free radical due to presence of 1 electrons. This bond break down in the pattern of the heterolytic cleavage or homolytic. Definitely the formation of free radical, then cleavage always homolytic. When it is break down homolytic form, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इस कार्बन के पास आएगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कार्बन के पास आएगा. देन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CH3 रेडिकल. तो यहां भी कितना बनेगा? यहां 2 लिख दे रहे, तो यहां कितना बनेगा बेटा? 2 बनेगा प्लस 2 CO2 मॉलिक्यूल्स. 2 मिथाइल रेडिकल CH3 प्लस CH3. What is methyl free radical? Have 1 electrons. They are able to making of new bond between 2 carbon. इस कार्बन का 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स सेकंड कार्बन के 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के साथ शेयरिंग कर लेगा. कौन से? सिग्मा बॉन्ड के. एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एथेन मॉलिक्यूल्स. and number of carbon in product here is also 2. इस प्रोडक्ट में भी कितने कार्बन है? 2 कार्बन है। और हमारे रिएक्टेंट में कितना कार्बन था? 2 कार्बन था। इट मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इन रिएक्टेंट एंड आल्सो प्रोडक्ट इज सिमिलर। अब आपके मन में आएगा सोडियम का क्या होगा? देखते हैं। सोडियम accept the 1 electrons and change into सोडियम, 2 सोडियम, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स निकले थे ना बेटा यहाँ पर, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, 2 सोडियम, सोडियम 2 सोडियम react with water and change into सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस H2। तो यहाँ पर कौन कौन सी गैस निकलती है बेटा? हाइड्रोजन गैस एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस। और प्रोडक्ट क्या है आपका? सोडियम एसीटेट टू एथेन। दिस प्रोसेस इज आल्सो decarboxylation of sodium acetate. Next, formation of acid anhydride. 2 molecules of acetic acid when heated in the presence of phosphorus pentaoxide. While the dehydration process, 2 molecules of acetic anhydride combine and form is a new product is called acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. If here example is benzoic acid, then product is called benzoic anhydride. Generally, we write of it is CH3 CO twice O. 2 molecules of acetic acid in the presence of the phosphorus pentaoxide, when heated, it change into acetic anhydride and release 1 molecules of water. Next topic, reduction of carboxylic acid. Example, reduction of acetic acid by lithium aluminum hydride or pass of hydrogen gas in the presence of copper chromate. Carbonyl group reduce in a methyl group and formation of ethanol. It means partially reductions carbonyl to methyl group or carboxylic to alcoholic group, and also same process here. CH3 CH2 OH and H2O. This is called partially reduction of carboxylic acid. Complete reduction of carboxylic acid by the hydroiodic acid in the presence of red phosphorus. Product here CH3 CH3 means C2H6 methane ethane gas. Acetic acid to ethane, number of carbon 2 and number of carbon 2 plus 2H2O plus 3I2. This is called complete reductions and carboxylic group to methyl group. Hunsidiker reactions. Silver salt of carboxylic acid. Example, silver acetate react with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. Product here CH3 Vr methyl bromide, AgVr silver bromide and CO2 gas. Second example, silver benzoate react with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. Product here bromobenzene plus silver bromide and CO2 gas. It means carboxylic group eliminate or remove in the form of CO2 or carbon dioxide. number of carbon in reactant 2. What number of carbon in reactant is 1. It means this is also is called degradation of carbon chain, and it is called Hunsdiecker reaction. Next reactions of carboxylic acid, example acetic acid, Hall-Volhard-Zielinski reactions. Hall-Volhard-Zielinski reactions. In these reactions, this carbon is called alpha carbon because it attached from functional group carboxylic acid. When acetic acid react with bromine in the presence of little amount of red phosphorus, alpha hydrogen displaces from halogen. Always alpha hydrogen, only alpha hydrogen replace or displace by halogen, and name of product here bromoacetic acid. If reactions again is a progas in the presence of red phosphorus, Y product here HBr. Then again alpha hydrogen replaced by bromine, and name of product dibromoacetic acid. If reactions again is a progas, then last one hydrogen is also replaced. It means in the given example, who is replaced? Always alpha hydrogen. Next example, CH3 CH2 COOH. The name of this reactant is propanoic acid, and this carbon is called alpha carbon. Propanoic acid, if react with the bromine in the presence of red phosphorus, the alpha hydrogen replace or displace by halogen, and product here CH3 CHVr. It means alpha hydrogen only replaced by the halogen, and this reaction is called Hall-Volhard-Zielinski reaction. Thank you for watching of chemical behavior or chemical properties of acetic acid. If want to study of acidic nature of carboxylic acid and comparison between carboxylic acid, phenol, carboxylic acid and alcohol, please watch another lecture video. Thank you very much.